Are you looking for your own backyard oasis in New Maryland? You won't want to miss 153 Shaw Lane.
Welcome inside this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home.
First up is the open concept great room where you'll find a propane fireplace,
the dining area, and the beautiful kitchen with granite countertops.
Off the kitchen is the sun porch overlooking the in-ground pool.
Finishing off the main level, you have the attached garage. Now let's head upstairs.
On this level, you'll find the home's main bathroom and 3 bedrooms,
including the primary with a walk-in closet and ensuite bath.
Let's head downstairs.
Downstairs, you'll find the family room, a half bath with laundry, and the 4th bedroom.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 153 Shaw Lane,
visit FrederictonHomes.com.